Okay guys, welcome back to my new video, how to make $300 every single day with ClickBank for newbie. Like you know, ClickBank, everyone can use it, everyone can join for free and earn daily cash from this affiliate network. With this video, I will show you the product I am using and promoting from ClickBank. I will show you one product that I really like to promote and getting results, very good results. And I will show you the best traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link and get unlimited visitors to your affiliate link. So let's start. If you don't have an account with the ClickBank, you can go here and create your account. If you already have an account, you can go here and go log in. And you will get this dashboard. Now you can see here a marketplace. Let's visit marketplace. And we will get this page. Now the product that I really like it. You can see here a different niche. Okay, in the left you can click and see some subcategories that you can choose your product. Okay, there is unlimited product in this website. Now I will show you the product that I am using. Copy, paste, income. This product for E1 Chias, copy, paste, income. Let's visit. I want to show you this. This product is fantastic to promote, like you see. Okay, look very nice, right? Okay, fantastic. Okay, I really like this product and I really like to promote this product. You can get unlimited leads from this product, and the reason many people who want to make money with the ClickBank, okay, like me and you. So this is a very nice product to promote and get sales from this product. So let's close this page right now. So how this work? You can see here promote. All you have to do is promote, click promote, and get create, of course, and get this link. Okay, this is your affiliate link, and all you have to do is get traffic. Okay, so how to get real and very convert traffic to this link? I will show you some of my secret traffic source that I am using long time to promote my affiliate links. Of course, I am promoting not only ClickBank. Of course, I am promoting also ClickSure and Payspree and Warrior Price. Using this traffic, I am promoting my landing page. I am building my list using this traffic. I am getting a lot of question about some of this traffic. So I decide to show you exactly the traffic that you can use to get unlimited leads and sales from this very convert traffic packages. Okay, so let's start. Traffic source number one is visitors. You can see here there's some package that I don't recommend to use all this package. Okay, there's good packages and there is more good packages. The best packages that you can use is solo ads. You can see mega solo ad to 25,000 emails. This is the best. Okay, this is the best package that you can use to promote your affiliate link. I think this is one of the best traffic because this is a solo ads. Okay, solo ads is one of the best traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link to very target people who want to make money online, and this is a fantastic package to promote your affiliate link. Solo ads. Okay, remember solo ads. It's one of the best packages. Okay, traffic source number two. You can see. Go ahead. You can see. Don't worry. I will put all the link below this video so you can visit and check it. You can see ClickBank solo ads, real target visitors guaranteed. 400 to 500 visitors unique. This is a very target traffic. Sorry. You can see here your affiliate link. You have to put here, and very important to choose your category target. Okay. And you can see here there is unlimited niche. Okay, unlimited niche that you can use. Very important to choose your target niche, target category. And like I said, this is also a very good traffic. Traffic source number three is visitors. This website, I am getting unlimited question about this website. I think people don't know how to use this traffic source. There's one way, and the best way to promote your affiliate link using this traffic. And you can see here, add a new ad. You will get this page. Now, the best way is to create pop-up under. This is the best way. Okay, remember pop-up under. This is a very target traffic, and I will show you exactly how this works. Don't use this option. Okay, this option, it's not enough good option to promote your ClickBank. Okay, let's say not good enough. This is very good and very nice to promote your affiliate link. Create pop under ad. Okay, so how this work? Let's visit, and you will get sorry, you will get this page. Very important to choose your target country. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I always recommend to use United USA, Canada, Australia, okay, New Zealand, okay, English speakers. Okay, this is very important. Of course, if you're promoting CPA, so this is different. Okay, if you target CPA in Germany, so you have to choose Germany. But in this case, I recommend if you're promoting ClickBank to choose USA, United States, like you see here, and click next. Now this is very important step. I mean, your max bid, you can see your max bid and you can see here the average. So all you have to do is take this, copy and paste here and add 1. If this 0.0038, make it 39. That's it. Okay? So, very important. All you have to do is copy this average bid and put here and add to 39. Here 39, here 33, 38, sorry. Okay, so very important. All you have to do is copy and paste. That's it. And click next. Now, this is very, very nice. You can see the name of your ad. Okay, you can type here anything you want. And very important, your link. Okay, your link, all you have to do, put your link and that's it. And click next and your ad is online. Okay, this is very nice, very target. You can get a very, very target country traffic from this website. Okay, let's continue. Traffic source. You can see this traffic source. Sorry. Traffic Ninja. This is a traffic that you can get from unlimited traffic exchange. This is very, very good to promote PTC offers, ClickBank offers. You can promote CPA offers, and of course you can promote ClickBank offers. You will get unlimited traffic from a PTC website, from a traffic exchanges website. You can visit, you can click this link below this video and read all the traffic source that you will get. Some of this traffic is solo ads, free solo ads. This is one of the best traffic to promote your link and get real traffic daily. Okay, traffic source number 5 is Majid.com. This traffic is for not for a newbie. Okay, let's say like that. This is not for newbies. You have to be good and have a knowledge with internet marketing if you want to use this website. There's unlimited courses online how to use Majid.com. This is a very, very target and very, very good and convert traffic. But of course, this is depend your product and depend your ad campaign. Okay, so this is like Google AdSense. Okay, Google AdWords. Sorry, this is like Google AdWords. You have to be very good to make a campaign with this website. So before you make any campaign with this website, please go to Google and type, let's say, how to make a campaign with Majid.com. Be sure that you are good, that you can make your campaign with Majid, then you can make your campaign here. This is not for newbies, okay? Okay, I want to say it again. Don't lose money. This is not for newbies. You have to be very good to make your campaign in Majid.com. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload more videos soon so you can learn more and more how to make money with ClickBank. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.